To add a PDF in Squarespace, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Squarespace website. Click on the link to access the site. Then log in by entering your email and password information. Once you've gained access to your account, click on your account name and then on the account dashboard. Next, select the website where you want to add the PDF. To do this, click on Pages, located underneath the website section of the page. Then, click on the plus sign next to Main Navigation and select Link from the More section. Instead of entering a URL, change the option to File and click on Search Files to upload your PDF from your computer's storage. Essentially, you're adding a link, but the link will be a file. By following these steps, you can successfully add a PDF to your Squarespace site.